Meaning of glider.
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 Glider. The term glider refers to a type of aircraft that is designed to fly without an engine. Instead, gliders rely on gravity and air currents for lift and propulsion. Gliders typically have long wings that allow them to stay aloft for extended periods of time, and they are often used for recreational or competitive purposes, such as in gliding competitions or as a way to explore the natural world from the air. In short, a glider is an aircraft that is propelled by the forces of nature rather than by an onboard engine.